Welcome to another exciting, informative and educative class. As you can see, the topic you'll be learning today is multiplication of fractions. In our previous class, we learned about addition and subtraction of fractions. In this class, we'll be diving into multiplication. Now, I'm going to be multiplying mixed fractions by mixed fraction, meaning one multiplying a mixed fraction with another mixed fraction. Now, as you can see, we have one whole number 1 over 2 being multiplied by 4 whole number 4 over 7. First step is to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. One whole number 1 over 2 is now, that becomes what? 3 over 2, because 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 gives 3. And also 4 times 7, this 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. So that becomes 3 over 2 times 32 over 7. Our next step is to multiply the numerator of the improper fractions, which is 3 times 32. 3 times 32. And 3 times 32 is 96. Also, we multiply the denominators, which is 2 times 7, which is now 14. Okay. Next step, we turn the answers into a mixed fraction if possible, and that is if they are divisible, because this is now 96 divided by 14, and 96 divided by 14 is now what? 6 whole number 12 over 14, meaning we have, how many 14 do we have? 96. We have 6. What is remaining? 12. Next is to simplify further if it is possible, because 12 and 14 are divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So our answer to its lowest minimum is what? 6 whole number 6 over 7. Now, as you can see, your answer must and should be in either a mixed fraction or a proper fraction. You cannot leave answer as improper fraction. Now let's see how we multiply fractions by whole numbers. Here we have what? 5 times 8 over 10. We write the whole number as a fraction. So that is now what? 5 over 1. 5 is now 5 over 1. That's 5 over 1 times 8 over 10. Then we'll do the simple way by multiplying the numerators, which is 5 times 8, which gives us 40. We multiply the denominator, 1 times 10, which is what? 10. 40 divided by 10 is simply 4. You reduce to the barest minimum or to its lowest term. 40 and 10 can be divided by 10. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 10 divided itself 1. So the answer is simply 4. So you can see multiplication is simple. What do? You multiply the numerator, or also, if possible, you can reduce to its lowest term. Multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator, reduce to lowest term, and that's your answer. If it's a mixed fraction, like we did earlier, what do? You convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Then you multiply the numerator, multiply the denominators, reduce to lowest term if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, making it to become what? A mixed fraction. Hope you had a good time learning. See you in our next class. We'll be learning about the division of fractions. Bye bye.